Hello, welcome to this Link to SharePoint 2010 tutorial. This is part 2, adding data to SharePoint list. I'm Serge Luca, SharePoint MVP, working for Devoteam Belgium and Luxembourg, where I teach SharePoint 2010 courses. Don't forget, all this code and the PDF file for the labs here, the tutorial, can be downloaded from my blog, http sergeluca.spaces.live.com. And all of this is part of the Devoteam SharePoint 2010 course that I teach for Devoteam Belgium and Luxembourg. Let's write code. So I want to add a function that will I want to write a function that will add a new category in the categories list. So first I need a pointer to the data context. Let's create a new category object. From the categories item, the class generated by SP_medal. Let's set up its properties. I will create a C20 category. Let's add this object into the categories list by using the insert on submit function. And now we need to store the data into the database, into the content database by calling the submit change method. Let's invoke add category from the main function. Let's run the application. Looks good. And now if you go to the category list, you have a new item. And that's okay. Now let's create a new function. And here I want to add a new product. And I want to associate the product with a category. Let's grab the context as we did before. Let's create a new product from the product item classes generated by SP_medal. Let's initialize the product properties. Product name, product 20. Product ID, P20. And we'll associate the product with a category. So we need to provide the category information. Let's grab the category, a category object from the content database. Category 20. Let's use a context. Category lists. And let's grab the first category that follow all requirements, and the predicate is the category ID must be C20. So we can use an lambda expression. So here I'm using the method notation. And now if there is such object, so if category 20 is not null, I will associate it with our new product, and I will store everything into the content database, the SharePoint content database. Submit change to commit the information into the database. Let's clean up the code, and now we can invoke the new function from the main product. There's a typo here. Semicolon. Let's run the application. Now we should have a product 20 in the product list. Let's check it out. Okay, product 20 and category 20. Good. Now we can add a product to a supplier. If you remember, a supplier can provide one or several products, and the same product can be provided by one or several suppliers. So it's a many to many. Let's grab the context. Let's grab the supplier from the suppliers collection. Let's use the method notation. Supplier is a I queryable, so I want to find the supplier number S1. And if there is such supplier, so if supplier 1 is not null, we will grab a product, in this case product 20, or product 2. Let's grab product 2 from the products collection of the context. Looking for product 2, ID must be something like P2. And if there is a product P2, we will add it to the product collection of the supplier. Very, very easy. And don't forget to save everything. Submit changes. Let's invoke the new function, add product to supplier. And now let's go to the website, supplier 1. Now provide product to as well.